My name is Alex Cecilio, and I'm going to show you how to edit a photo with color effects in Photoshop. So I've got my photo here that I'm going to edit with color effects, and one of the color effects you can use in Photoshop, if you go to this little half circle here, or half black, half white circle, you can go to selective color. And this is my personal favorite way of editing with color, because what it does is it picks out certain colors in your photo to enhance. So for example, the yellows, I'd say there's yellow and red up in the top part. So when you adjust the cyan, it'll change the color, and the cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. And so you can really play around with these to get the color that you're looking for. And yeah, that's the color, I'd say that's the color I'm looking for. But it's also, keep in mind, anything else that has a yellow tint to it is going to change. So for example, my face kind of tinted a little bit. And then you can switch it up and, you know, go to your reds. I like them being bright. My name is Alex, and this is how you edit a photo with color effects in Photoshop. Thank you.